Welcome to this overview video where we'll answer the question, why choose Simio? Perhaps you've heard all the buzz about the power and excitement of our software, and you want to see what everyone is talking about. Or perhaps you have a need to update your simulation software and are looking for a powerful tool that is built with the latest technology, has excellent 3D graphics, and can easily integrate with your other systems. Well, sit tight while we give you a peek into the future of discrete event simulation. As we enter into the software, you'll notice the modern Microsoft ribbon-style interface that assists with efficient navigation. Tooltips throughout the product make learning and discovery easier with less reliance on documentation. Simio is implemented using the latest .NET technology, which means that advanced users can extend the Simio product by creating custom objects, custom rules, or custom interfaces in a number of different languages, such as Visual Basic, C#, C++, Java, etc. In Simio, a model is created in 2D and 3D concurrently. By default, the user is looking at the main window in 2D, but by clicking on the 3D icon from the View ribbon or simply hitting the 3 key, you can view your model in 3 dimensions. The grid is available to assist with modeling your system to scale. You may consider importing a background image of your system into Simio and then placing objects or drawing links on top of this image. Simio allows importing of images and 3D symbols in a number of different formats, such as Google SketchUp and DFX. Simio is the first product to integrate a link to Google 3D Warehouse directly from the product for free access to over 1 million 3D symbols. In addition to the auto-rotate function that provides different views of the model, Simio also provides a camera function. One feature of the camera allows a user to follow behind a moving entity so the user can see a bird's eye view of how the entity travels through the system. Simio provides numerous graphical status tools that allow the user to display an object's dynamic state over time. A user can place status labels, plots, pie charts, gauges, and buttons into their model. Simio's power and competitive advantage exists because it is a true object-oriented piece of software. Patent-pending innovations allow objects to be defined graphically in processes without the need for programming, which allows new custom objects to be created by novice users. All objects in Simio can easily be extended, added, and shared between projects and users. Intelligent objects can be aware of and interact with each other and easily make smart decisions. For example, a resource may choose to remain idle because it is aware that a higher priority entity may soon need it. A user might define a process to be triggered when this worker object is evaluating whether or not to accept a seize request. The user can easily build logic to decide whether or not this worker will accept this request or wait to address other work in the system instead. Here is a list of Simio's 14 standard objects and an example of how a user might load another library of custom objects into a project to be used in conjunction with our standard objects. Simio's powerful data features allow you to create data sets to hold relational data across multiple tables and use that data to drive your models. Simio's import and table binding feature allows you to keep your model input data in external data sources, such as Microsoft Excel, and then Simio will automatically pull the data into Simio at the beginning of each simulation run. With Simio, you can directly access your enterprise data for use by your model. Simio also has cutting-edge features for analyzing your simulation results. In addition to traditional output reports, Simio provides powerful features for viewing your results through the use of a pivot grid that lets you sort, filter, and pivot your output data. You can define experiments with multiple scenarios and have them automatically executed in parallel on a multi-core processor. Use Simio's innovative SMORE charts to graphically compare both measures of error and measures of risk across multiple scenarios. Thank you for choosing Simio, and be sure to check out our other training videos on our website in the resources section at www.simio.com.